Okay, welcome to Gold's Garage. We're again at W2 Performance. And Daryl Waters is our dyno operator, and this is his shop. And we're here to Daryl, the dyno engine that has been on a YouTube video before on my test stand. And this engine was built by my good friend Tom here, and Tom's going to tell you all the details about it, and then we're going to fire it up, watch the screen, and watch the numbers go up. We got really nice numbers on this one. Go ahead, Tom.
Yeah, as Alan said, this is an update from having this motor on Alan's test stand. So I basically talked about the specs during that fire up, the initial fire up, but we wanted to get this thing onto the dyno to actually see what numbers we can pull. So we initially started out with a carburetor that I thought would work well on it, a 590 CFM. And the numbers were a little bit lower than what we thought, and Daryl supplied a 750, and that brought the numbers up. So we were averaging torque around 462 foot-pounds, and we peaked out at about 426 horsepower. So I'm very happy with the dyno numbers. Just for the sake of trying another carburetor, we put on Alan's 650. And it just went a little bit less on the horsepower. So by optimizing it, we got the timing at 34 degrees, which the motor likes, and it seems to run really well with the 750. So I'm going to have to purchase a 750 because that's what this motor likes. So Daryl, you want to fire it up, and we'll listen to it run.
Okay, I'm sure we've made 5 or 6 pulls already, pretty much getting it leveled out at what the numbers that Tom already gave you. By the way, this hinge is going in a very high-end 56 Chevy pickup, and the next video I make will be of the pickup where it is in progress right now. It's not quite finished, but we're going to do a shop dyno, or shop video, and then do another one when it gets finished.
Sounds good to me. Well, that won't be till next year.
Thanks for watching Gold's Garage.